When you have a big filtration project and need clean air, the Dri-Eaz HEPA 2000 offers high-performance air filtration. With its durable industrial aluminum housing and advanced filtration, this Exactimate extra-large air scrubber is ideal for restoration, abatement, construction jobs, and with its broad range of airflow, adjustable 500 to 2000 CFM. It's ultra efficient for dust control, ventilation, and to keeping contaminants away from workers and occupants in enclosed spaces. Plus, it's an air scrubbing workhorse for improving air quality in healthcare, hospitals, education facilities, clean rooms, and more. When you're using it in these environments where background noise is a concern, the HEPA 2000 boasts extremely quiet operation. In fact, you probably didn't realize it's been running the whole time. Matter of fact, this is what it sounds like on high speed 2000 CFM. The HEPA 2000 has a convenient 12-inch ductable outlet for containment setup, 3-inch locking casters, and it stacks neatly for transport. The HEPA 2000 is also friendly in amp draw at only 7.7 amps. Performance, reliability, and outstanding value. Exactly what you expect in a Dri-Eaz product.